Look, I've been through healers before, but they were nothing like what I've experienced today. Nothing.
It was so healing.
You have to go and try this out. You have to book her in. She will get booked out like crazy. I've already booked my next session for next month. I'm coming here monthly.
It was my first time and she guided us, made it a nurturing, safe space, and I felt completely comfortable and supported the whole time.
I am physically feeling lighter. It is like weight from my chest is no longer there. And I'm like, I promise you, I am not bullshitting you. Like, if anyone is like doubtful or whatever, call me, come round to the house, let's have a coffee. Like, that is how serious this is.
It's a lot of release of energy in a very beautiful way. I felt very safe, and also I'm very excited to do it again.
Parts of my body that I didn't even know that I had trauma in all came out, and she was so caring and loving with everything that she did.
Some of you may be watching and be thinking, like, how could you possibly get that much out of 2 hours? I was there for 2 hours, but I did. Like, my nose is still running, my eyes are still red because I was literally sobbing. Got to a point where I felt so safe that I could just let it out, and Sarah created that space for me.
I highly recommend this if you're wanting to dig deeper, to find out what makes you tick, to find out if you have anything that you are trapping within your body that you need to release.
I did it for the very first time a few weeks ago, and it won't be the last time. I'm definitely putting it into my self-care routine.
Stress that I hold, like I feel like I hold a lot of tension in my face, like that tension feels ease.
We were all safe, we were all heard. It was just so welcoming, and I definitely recommend it to anybody who wants to give it a go.
I really loved my experience. I can't wait to do it more often.
I can't speak highly enough of this. If you have trauma in your body or any of these emotions that you want to shift, that you reach out to Sarah. Her magic and her medicine is so powerful. Thank you so much.